What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to record your iPhone screen. This is an easy tutorial, so you don't need to download anything from App Store or anything like that. It's already on iPhone, so you already have that feature where you can record your screen, playing whatever you want, playing games or anything you have on your screen. You can record it. So the first thing guys you need to do, go to settings, and after you go to settings, you want to search for a control center. Okay, just click on control center and search for something called screen recording. Okay, this is the icon of screen recording. As you can see here, I already added the screen recording to my iPhone, but if you don't have it, you want to just click plus in the left. Okay, you will see there plus instead of this negative icon. Okay, you want to click on plus, and after you click on plus, it's going to be added whenever you swipe from the bottom to the like swipe like this, swipe up, you will see, and then swipe up again, and then you will see this icon recording button. Whenever you click it, you will start recording the iPhone. But if you have a new iPhone, maybe you have it in the top, like swipe from the top down, okay, like this, and you will find the screen recording. For me, I find it when I swipe up. As you can see here, it's recording now. I am recording the screen. So I hope this video guys helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.